Can I get a drum roll, please? In Motion RS Midnight. We are going to unbox it. We already reviewed the RS, the yellow one, the one that looks like cheese. This one does not look like cheese. Oh, it's a box in a box. Come on. All right, I'm cutting this box off. Now the real unboxing can start. Pull it out like bing. So not only is this a different color, but this also is a production unit. So we should see the updated screen and potentially a few other small things. So this isn't just the yellow version that we tested, but in black. It should actually be better. Get your instruction manual right on top. Wow, this is one of the just hands down best packing jobs I've ever seen on a scooter, which is so great considering the price, right? Like spending thousands of dollars on a scooter, this is what you want when you unbox a product. There's a reason why people watch like Apple unboxings, right? Because yeah, the products are good, but also the like unboxing an Apple product is kind of an experience in itself, and you like want to enjoy that experience. You want to feel like you got something really nice that was packaged well, that, you know, you want to feel special after spending thousands of dollars on, you know, a really nice product. So I think that's all the accessories. I do have to say, kind of, oh, this is nice. Okay, so right off the bat, this collar that locks the stems is actually has a spring in it now. It used to not be spring, it used to just be loose, and you had to chunk it into place manually. This is the one aspect of the RS that I'm not the hugest fan of. It's a little bit of a convoluted locking mechanism, and but you know, with my experience with it, I feel like it is solid. Like I'm not worried about it failing. One thing that's nice is that on our pre-production model, this screw could come fully out and just you had the chance to lose it or whatever. But now the mechanism, you have to like push it down and then start screwing. And if you unscrew it all the way, it won't fall out. Make sure you push this in and this down. Let's open this up real quick because this should have all the screws and hopefully a tool in it. And we'll see how good the included tool is. Nice, okay. Different rear fender. Okay, tools. Those feel like the screws. Nice, comes with a little RS Midnight badge that you can stick on if you want. Nice, that's kind of cool. It's got like the bat symbol. So if you're into Batman or whatever, got some reflectors. If you're riding at night, probably can stick those on. Comes with two 5mm hex wrenches, which is nice, I guess, in case you break one, or maybe there's something that you need both of them for. And then this looks like a 3mm wrench. And then this is probably the charger. Yes, 5 amp charger, so you get fast charging. And then front headlight. Again, another thing you're gonna wanna throw on if you're riding at night, or you know, if aesthetically you like it. And once again, packaged really nicely with this foam. Big fan of that. So here's the screws. Get these handlebars on. Get all these. Nice, and then adjust these where I want them. This also is, this looks like a 31.5mm handlebar clamp. So for those of you that like to modify your scooters, want to throw some new bars on this, this clamp will work for basically all standard bike handlebars. Now let's plug in everything. This requires you to know your colors. So I believe this is blue, and I believe this one's blue. So I think, you know, I didn't read the instruction manual, but I have a hunch that those are supposed to go together. Yellow with yellow, red with red, and purple with purple. And Elmo would be proud of me. Okay, let's see if this bad boy turns on or if we need to plug it in. Nice, so color display looks really good. Nice. And then let's get a peel here. Let's peel some handlebars here, handlebar grips. Nice, feels like the same handlebar grips, all the same components. So far we have the new stem lock, new display, and then the other thing that I wanted them to fix on the production models was the rear fender here. Mine broke off after one ride. And I'm thinking that these look a little bit better and feel a little bit better, but we will see how well they hold up. Yeah, those feel a lot better, but we'll see. They snapped down here before. Let's get this out of the box. This is a very, very heavy scooter. So if you need to be able to take your scooter around, this isn't ideal. This is definitely a sports scooter that you leave locked up most of the time. But it's one of the best sports scooters on the market. So just let me pick you up. So the other thing that has changed on this one that InMotion told us would come to the production model is the adjustable kickstand. Because this has multiple different ride heights, you can change how tall the scooter is. That was the one complaint I had about the previous kickstand, is because when you put it up to a higher height, the kickstand wasn't tall enough and the scooter would tip over. Now it looks like you just need to adjust these bolts, and that's why they included 2 hex wrenches, because you need 2 5mm hex wrenches to loosen that up and slide it out and readjust it. It's a nice kind of satiny finish. It's not overly matte. It still has a very elegant feel to it, and it also leaves it up for customization, right? Like the yellow is a little bit bold, right? Some people will like the yellow, but with the black, there's so much you can do in terms of customization and putting your own lights on it, putting it your own stickers. You could even wrap it. Like, I think the type of people that this scooter appeals to is the type of person that likes to have a nice, sleek foundation to work with. Also, some people might just like the kind of low-key look of the black. It's definitely not like a sleeper scooter, you know, like you look at it and it looks fast, but it's a little bit less in your face, obnoxious, look at my fast scooter. It's more of a, look how sweet this sleek Batmobile looking scooter is. We will be thoroughly testing this again, and we're actually going to be doing a head-to-head race with some of our fastest scooters, including the InMotion RS. That is coming up very soon, so get subscribed to see this bad boy in action. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one.